Oh, right there's tracks. Like crazy. Right down into here. Yo.
I even told Summer on the way through there, I saw to call Ricky and see if I could hunt this real quick. It's probably a good day to hunt.
Yeah, there's a dog there.
Two of them.
Oh, I didn't see the second one.
There's two of them in that picture.
Nice.
Where you at?
Across the pond.
You shooting it?
No, he just pointed. I got tracks right here. He pointed them, but I don't know where the bird is. He may have.
I thought maybe it's you.
No. He's all over this spot though. Let me jump off of here. Are you gonna go to Jeff's? Whoa.
I'm heading right now. All right, good luck.
All right, later. Whoa. Whoa. Here. Buxton, here. Get the bird. Get the bird. Here. Hand. Good boy. Hand. Go get that other one. I hit it. Come on. Whoa. Where's he at? Good boy. Find him. Is he in there? Is he in there?
Yeah.